guys, here's how to change a map on your GMod server. This guide is for SparkHost servers, but it should work for other providers as well. Check out our playlist on how to make a GMod server if you want a step-by-step guide on how to make a GMod server. There are two ways to add a map to your GMod server. The first way is to go ahead and head on over to your Steam Workshop. Then go ahead and add the link for a map from the Steam Workshop here. Then you'll want to go ahead and press search. You will then go ahead and press the install button. After this, you will then want to head on over to the startup tab and go ahead and enter in the map name in the map section of variables. The second way to add a map is by heading over to the files tab, going to GMod, maps, and adding your map file to here. Once the map file has been uploaded, you can then go ahead and head on over to your startup tab and once again change the map name here. After this, you will then go ahead and restart your GMod server. Still have some questions? Drop a comment below or open a ticket in our billing panel. Let us know if this guide worked for you.